Bollywood celebrities have a long-standing fascination with swanky, stylish, luxury cars. You may not remember Malika Sherawat's last film, but she still has an amazing presence on social media. Malika Sherawat lives in Paris and she has an enviable collection of luxury cars. One of them is the Lamborghini Aventador SV. The car is priced at 8 crore rupees. Her other cars include the Rolls-Royce Dawn at 6.25 crore, an orange McLaren 720s priced at 4.5 crore, and a Ferrari 812 Superfast priced at 5.3 crores. Hrithik Roshan owns a customized version of the Rolls-Royce Ghost Series 2. The navy blue and silver car has a top speed of 250 km per hour and can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in 4 seconds. The car is priced at 7 crore rupees. He also owns two Mini Cooper S convertibles. One has a cyan color shade with white racing stripes, the other one has a green paint on, with black racing stripes. The Greek god's other luxury toys include Mercedes-Benz S-Class, Mercedes S600 Maybach, a Porsche Cayenne Turbo, Aston Martin Rapid S, and a vintage 1966 Ford Mustang. Ajay Devgan is the owner of the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. The base price of this car is 7 crore rupees. It can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in 5 seconds. Cullinan is Rolls-Royce's first venture in the world of SUVs. He also has a Mini Cooper S with black racing stripes. He is also the proud owner of Maserati Quattroporte, Range Rover, Mercedes S-Class, BMW 730LD, and Toyota Celica, which was gifted to him by his friend Rohit Shetty, during the making of All the Best. Ajay Devgan also won the controversial hamper round in Coffee with Karan, due to which he became the winner of Audi A5 Sportback, priced at 71 lakh. Ranveer Singh owns an Aston Martin Rapide S. It produces 552 bhp of peak power, and can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.2 seconds. Ranveer also owns a Lamborghini Uru. His other cars include a Jaguar XJL, Mercedes-Benz GLS and Range Rover Vogue. Amitabh Bachchan, sold off the Rolls-Royce Phantom priced at 3.5 crores, was gifted to him by Vidhu Vinod Chopra. But he owns a Bentley Continental GT, which is valued at 4 crore rupees. He has a Mercedes-Benz V-Class, priced at 81.9 lakh rupees. He also owns a sports car called Porsche Cayman S, which costs 2 crore rupees. He has a Bentley Anazar, a rare luxury car which is discontinued but remains one of his loved possessions. He also has a Mercedes-Benz SL 500, which is also the car of preference of his contemporary, Dharmendra. Amitabh Bachchan also owns a Mini Cooper. He also owns a Range Rover Vogue and Toyota Land Cruiser. One of his favorite cars is the Lexus LX 570, costing 2.3 crore. The new addition to his garage is a white Mercedes S350D which comes at 1.38 crore. Akshay Kumar owns a Mercedes-Benz V-Class, with a price upwards of 1.1 crore rupees. He also owns a Mercedes-Benz GLS, the largest Mercedes SUV with third-row seats. The GLS comes with a starting price of 86 lakh rupees. The third Merc that he owns is Mercedes GL 350 CDI, the older version of GLS. It was priced at 77.7 lakh rupees. Akshay Kumar is the owner of the enviable Rolls-Royce Phantom. Celebrities the world over love Range Rover for luxury SUVs. Akshay, the owner of a Range Rover Vogue, has the largest variant among 3 engine options, priced at 2.18 crore rupees. Porsche was the first car manufacturer that went from making sports cars into going for an SUV, and that model was Cayenne. Akshay has a Porsche Cayenne, priced at 1.19 crore rupees. Akshay Kumar also owns a Jeep Compass SUV, which looks absolutely stunning and comes from a surprisingly low price of just 15 lakh base price. He also uses his Honda CR-V, costing 28 lakhs for his daily commute. Akshay Kumar's most luxurious car that he mostly uses at high-profile events is the Bentley Continental Spur, which comes at a price of 3.94 crore, which runs at a top speed of 332 km per hour and can reach 100 km per hour in 4.3 seconds. Sanjay Dutt is absolutely fond of cars. He has a Ferrari 599 GTB Coupe with a top speed of 335 km per hour. It can go from 0 to 100 in 3.4 seconds. Apart from this, the star likes to travel in Audi A8L and Audi Q7. He is seen traveling with his family mostly in a white-colored BMW 740 Li, which comes at an estimated 1.4 crore. He also gifted his wife, the Rolls-Royce Ghost worth a whopping 7 crore, which he uses at high-profile events. Like most Bollywood celebrities, Sanjay Dutt also owns the Range Rover Vogue LWB autobiography, priced at 4 crore rupees. John Abraham owns a Lamborghini Gallardo worth 3 crore rupees. It was Lamborghini's best-selling model from 2003 to 2013. He also owns a Nissan GT-R Black Edition, which can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3 seconds. Since he is a brand ambassador of Nissan India, the company gifted him Nissan Terrano. He also owns the premium SUV Audi Q7. John Abraham also has a 1.5 crore sleek black Porsche Cayenne, which comes at a base price of 1.2 crore rupees. Badshah, the flashy Bollywood rapper, is the proud owner of Rolls-Royce Wraith, which runs from 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.4 seconds. The price of the car is a cool 6.4 crore. He also owns a Lamborghini Gallardo at 3.6 crores, a BMW 649D at 1.16 crore rupees, a Mercedes-Benz S-Class at 1.9 crore and a Porsche Cayman 718. Shah Rukh Khan is the proud owner of Bugatti Vernon, priced at 12 crore rupees. This royal car made for kings has a top speed of 430 km per hour, can reach 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.4 seconds. He also owns a stunning-looking Rolls-Royce Phantom Drophead Coupe, priced at an estimated 7 crores. He also has a Bentley Continental GT, priced at an estimated 4.5 crores. SRK has a BMW 740 Li, which he uses at various events. The luxury high-end car costs 1.94 crores. He also has a BMW 6 Series convertible, priced at 1.24 crores. SRK's fondness for BMW made him buy the hybrid electrical car BMW i8, which looks super stylish, priced at 3 crores. SRK also has a Range Rover Sport, costing 1.85 crore rupees. Almost all of his cars have 555 in their number plates. Aamir Khan owns a Mercedes-Benz S600 Maybach Guard, the flagship luxury car of the automobile major. The car is an exclusive one that offers bulletproof protection, costing a whopping 10 crore rupees. He also owns a Bentley Flying Spur at 3.93 crore. A BMW X5 series costing 87 lakhs, Toyota Land Cruiser V8 priced at 1.8 crores, and a Toyota Fortuner costing at 38 lakhs. Salman Khan is a fan of Land Range Rover LWB Vogue. He has 2 of them and is normally seen driving them. The price of the car is almost 2 crores. He loves zipping around the town in his Mercedes GL 350 CDI priced at 79 lakh. He also has a Mercedes AMG GLE 43 4MATIC, gifted to him by SRK. He also drives a Porsche Cayenne Turbo, priced at 1.93 crore. He has a stylish Porsche Panamera, costing 2.9 crore rupees. He also owns an Audi A8. Salman also owns an Audi RS7. He bought it in 2014 when the German brand made its debut. The RS7 is the sportier version of A7, that is a bridge between A6 and A8. He also owns a Toyota Fortuner priced at 32 lakhs. Almost all his cars have 2727 as registration numbers. Ranbir Kapoor owns a Range Rover Vogue, costing at about 1.9 crore rupees. He also owns a red-colored Audi R8, which costs about 2.7 crore rupees. Another car that he has is an Audi A8L. He also owns a Jeep-like car called the Mercedes G63 AMG. Deepika Padukone owns a Maybach S500. It is priced at 1.94 crores, which goes up to 3 crores after customization. The car comes with 12 airbags, 4.7 liters engine, a night view assist and a 360-degree camera. Her first luxury car was an Audi Q7. She also owns an Audi A8L. Deepika also owns a blue Mini Cooper S convertible. Deepika also owns a Hyundai Creta, which costs an estimated 12 lakhs, which you saw when she visited the NCB office. Alia Bhatt is the owner of luxury cars like the BMW 7 Series, Audi Q7 and a Land Rover Range Rover. Her first car from her own money was the Audi A6 in 2015. Kareena Kapoor owns a BMW X7, priced at 1.06 crores. She has a Mercedes-Benz S-Class priced at 1.3 crores and a Mercedes A-Class. She also owns an Audi Q7 costing under 80 lakhs. Kareena is also the owner of a Land Rover Range Rover Sport. She recently took a test drive of her new car, Land Rover Defender. Varun Dhawan owns the 350D variant of the flagship SUV from Mercedes-Benz, the Mercedes-Benz GLS 350D 4MATIC, worth close to 89 lakhs. He also owns an Audi Q7. Sonu Nigam loves driving this made-in-India car called DC Avanti. The car is touted as the first ever made-in-India supercar when it made its entry in the market. He also owns a Range Rover Vogue, which is priced at 1.81 crore rupees. He also owns an Audi A4, priced at 41.49 lakh rupees. His favorite car from his collection is the Range Rover Vogue. Shahid Kapoor loves his recent edition BMW X7, the flagship of the luxury car brand. The white-colored stunner costs 93 lakh rupees. He drives the Mercedes-Benz GL 350, priced at 89 lakhs. He also has a compact version of Mercedes called Mercedes ML Class, priced at 79 lakhs and suited to zip through traffic. Shahid definitely loves the Merc brand. His third one is a cool 1.28 crore rupees Mercedes AMG S400 sedan which he gifted to his wife Meera. Shahid is also the owner of the bright Porsche Cayenne GTS, priced at 1.9 crore. Another red color beauty is his Jaguar XKR, the stylish 4-seater car. Of course, he also has the RS 2.36 crore Range Rover Vogue, which by now, you know, is the favorite of almost all Bollywood stars. Sunny Leone bought the Maserati Ghibli Nerissimo in 2017. It is available only in the US and Canada, and that too with a limited edition of just 450 units. If you compare it with Indian money, the price of the car is 1 crore. Her husband had gifted her a Maserati Quattroporte in 2014, priced at 1.74 crore in Indian money. She also owns a BMW 730 LD. Sunny Leone also loves using her Mercedes GLS 350D for her daily commute in Mumbai. Katrina Kaif owns a white-color Land Rover Range Rover Vogue LWB, priced at 2.3 crore. She also has an Audi Q7. She is often seen traveling in a Mercedes ML 350, close to 50 lakhs. Incidentally, both her Audi and Range Rover has the same number plate. Priyanka Chopra has a fleet of enviable cars, the Rolls-Royce Ghost which she uses while going to the airport or high-profile events is worth upwards of 7 crore rupees. She also owns a BMW 5 Series, worth 58.70 lakhs, a BMW 7 Series, an Audi Q7 and a Mercedes-Benz S-Class, and a Porsche Cayenne. Priyanka Chopra was gifted the Mercedes Maybach S560 by her husband Nick Jonas. The cost of the car is 2.3 crore rupees. When in New York, she also drives the Cadillac Escalade, priced at an estimated 1.2 crore rupees. Kiara Advani owns a dashing white Mercedes-Benz E220D, priced at an estimated 57 lakh. She is often seen using the car while going to the gym or attending promotional events. She is also the owner of a BMW X5 Series, costing 80 lakhs.
find this video helpful? If yes, please hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and press the bell icon for new videos.